Hi, I'm Savannah from Baratza Support, and today we're unboxing our brand new Encore grinder. A grinder built to last, to be repaired, and to grind for any style of brewing, from espresso to pour over to cold brew. The Encore features a simple on and off switch and pulse button operation, a wide grind range with a twist of the hopper, and a large ground spin. Pop the lid, lay the box on its side, and slide out the inner tray using the two round cutouts. First up, the quick start guide. Keep this close for reference as we'll walk through the steps together here. Your quick start guide may look a little different than the one we have here, but rest assured that the one you have is made for the grinder you are unboxing, and we'll cover all the important bits together. Inside, you'll find all the components neatly packed. Inside the grounds bin, you'll find the cleaning brush for cleaning the internals, and the on-off knob. Before using, give the removable parts a hand wash. The hopper, lid, and grounds bin with warm soapy water. Rinse and dry completely before first use. Now, let's get it set up. To install the hopper, line up the white grind setting indicator with the triangle near setting 40. Press down and twist clockwise until you hear it clicking. Install the on-off knob by matching up the D-shaped hole with the stem on the machine and pressing it into place. Insert the ground spin with the white max fill line facing out. Now, let's plug it in and talk grind settings. The Encore has 40 grind settings, with 40 being the coarsest and 0 being the finest. Just twist the hopper to adjust the grind setting. If you have coffee in the hopper, make sure that you are grinding while making large adjustments finer. Otherwise, it might damage the internals. You can find the suggested grind range for each of these brew methods, important safety information, and more in the Quick Start Guide. You have two options to grind. Turn the switch on the side to grind continuously, or hold the pulse button on the front to grind precisely. Let's put together what we've learned and brew a pour over. There are many techniques and brewers to use, but I'm using a Hario V60 with the matching filter paper, a cup that will hold at least 12 ounces of water, or about 350 milliliters, a kettle, and a scale with a timer built in. Since we want precision here, I've weighed out 20 grams, set the grinder to 15, and now I'll just pour in the beans and turn the switch to grind until the hopper is empty. If you have a full hopper, you can grind and measure afterwards, but we still recommend using a scale here for the best cup. With my water just off boiling, let's wet the filter, dump out the water, and pour in the grounds. Now let's start our timer. Our first pour is the bloom, which allows the coffee to let off gases stored inside and will give us the best flavor. We're pouring double the weight of water that we have in coffee, so 40 grams, or you can pour until the coffee is just saturated if you are not using a scale. Once the timer hits 30 seconds, we will start pouring until we hit our target of 320 grams, or about 11 ounces, without overflowing the brewer. The pour should be slow, even, and in a spiral going in and out from the center. This can be done in multiple pours, like we're doing here, or in a single pour if your brewer is large enough. The brew should drip out the last bit around 3 minutes on the clock. If your brew is going far faster, you will want to adjust your grind a few clicks finer. If it's taking far longer, then you should adjust the grind coarser. Now, let's taste. It's chocolatey, it's delicious, that's the good stuff. At Baratza, we're not just about grinders, we're about helping you brew better coffee every day. That's why we design products that last and back everything with world-class customer support and product service. Got questions? Hit us up at baratza.com/support. We're real people who love talking coffee. Be sure to subscribe for more brew guides, recipes, and tips.